Q8454-3. For aircraft operated under Part 91, which of the following records must be retained and transferred with the aircraft when it is sold? A. Records of maintenance, iterations, preventive maintenance, 100-hour, annual, and progressive inspections. B. Records of inspections performed in accordance with 14 CFR Part 43, Appendix D. C. Records of the current status of applicable ADs. The correct answer is C. And date and time when recurring ADs are next due. 8455. An aircraft owner was provided a list of discrepancies on an aircraft that was not approved for return to service after an annual inspection. Which of the following statements is divided by are true concerning who may correct the discrepancies? 1. Only a mechanic with an inspection authorization. 2. An appropriately rated mechanic. 3. Any certificated repair station? A. 2 and 3. B. 2. C. 1. The correct answer is B. A list of the deficiencies that prohibited the aircraft from being airworthy is sent to the owner or operator of the aircraft if the return to service of the aircraft was not authorized following the yearly inspection. A suitably qualified mechanic can resolve these inconsistencies, and after that, the aircraft can be cleared for operation again. 8455-1. When a discrepancy list is provided to an aircraft owner or operator after an inspection, it says in effect that A. The item inspected is unairworthy. B. Except for these discrepancies, the item inspected is airworthy. C. The item inspected may or may not be airworthy depending on the discrepancies found. The correct answer is B. Except for these discrepancies, the item inspected is airworthy. The discrepancy list informs the owner or operator of specific items that need to be addressed in order for the aircraft to be considered airworthy. So, apart from these discrepancies, the aircraft is considered to be in airworthy condition. 8455-2. In order to reconstruct lost or destroyed aircraft maintenance records, what is it necessary to establish? A. Dates of all maintenance, preventive maintenance, and alterations. B. Dates and divided by or times of all 100-hour, annual, or progressive inspections. C. Total time in service of the airframe. The correct answer is C. According to AC 43-9C paragraph 12, it is important to determine the airframe's entire duration in service in order to recreate missing or damaged maintenance data. 8456. When approving for return to service after maintenance or alteration, the approving person must enter in the maintenance record of the aircraft A. The date the maintenance or alteration was begun, a description or reference to acceptable data of work performed, the name of the person performing the work, if someone else, signature, and certificate number. B. A description or reference to acceptable data of work performed, date of completion, the name of the person performing the work, if someone else, signature, and certificate number. C. A description or reference to acceptable data of work performed, date of completion, the name of the person performing the work, if someone else, signature, certificate number, and kind of certificate held. The correct answer is C. The information that should be entered includes a description or reference to acceptable data of the work performed, the date of completion, the name of the person performing the work, if someone else, their signature, and certificate number.